So what we are discussing today? So we are discussing today about branching. What is branching? So what is branching? Yeah. Allows you to create a separate working copy of your code with you have to duplicate the project. With you have to duplicate the project. What is that? Allows you to create a separate working copy of your code with you have to duplicate the project. Duplicate the project, right? So for example, here, so here you see what is the branch? So what is the branch we have? Main branch, right? So if you click the branches, right? So you have only one branch. You want to create another branch. What is branching? Allows you to create a separate working copy of your code with you have a duplicate the project. Duplicate the project. For example, new branch. What is the branch? Future or if you do future 1, 2, 3. So whatever the code is there in the main branch, right? The same code will be copied to the new branch. Allows you to create a separate working copy of your code, separate working copy of code with you have a duplicate project. So if you click this here, you see. So how many branches you have? Now you have two branches. One is future branch, other one is main branch. You see, the future branch also having the same code. Allows you to create a separate working copy of your code with you have a duplicate the projects. So right, this is the feature 1, 2, 3. So I want to download the future 1, 2, 3 code. Right? How you can download? You can download it from here. Here you can download it from here. Copy and download. Copy and download. For example, I'm moving it to our Git branch. Git branch. Yes. Hyphen Git branch hyphen a. It's so you see main branch and only main branch. It is not showing. Git pull. Yeah. If you pull the Git, it see a new branch 1, 2, 3 is created. Now check Git branch hyphen a. Now you see future 1, 2, 3 is created. Future 1, 2, 3 is created. How to? So here. Now you understood how to create the branch. Now you understood how to create the branch in
Yes.
a remote repository. How to create the branch in remote repository. Sorry, I'm writing. Okay. So what is branching? Allows you to create a separate working copy of your code with the you have to duplicate the project. You have to duplicate the project. So now you understood how to create the branch, how to create the branch in the remote repository where GitHub. Okay. Now you understood how to create the branch in the remote repository, right? Yeah. So what is this? Yeah. So git branch name. This command is used to create the new branch in our local Git repository. So I want to create a, now you understood how to create a branch in the remote repository. Now I want to see the branch in the local repository. How you can see it? So, so git branch. So we already executed the command, right? Git branch. So if you execute the git branch command, git branch, where we executed? Hmm. Git branch hyphen a. So if you use the git branch, it will list the only the local branches. So git branch hyphen a, it will list the remote branches as well as local branches as well as remote branches also. As well as remote branches also. So we can use code dot. What is that? So code dot. So in the code dot, yeah, in the code dot, you see. So you are in the which branch? Main branch. You are in the which branch here also? You can execute the commands. You can execute the commands. Git branch. It will list only git branch hyphen a. It will list only local branches. It will list local and remote branches. So you are in the which branch? Here it is showing git main. If you click here, it will show the you see future branch and future 1 2 3 and origin main, right? It will show here also. So if you want to create a new branch, here also we can create the new branch. Yes. Okay, I will show you here and I will show you here also how you can create the branches. Okay, yeah, the commands. So it will list down the local branches that you have created. It will list down the grid branch hyphen a. It will list down the all the branches, that is local branches, remote branches that are available for the checkout. Okay, git branch hyphen d name. So what is that? If you want to create a branch, so to see the list of the branches, list down the all the local branches, you can use git branch and git branch hyphen a. So you want to create a branch. How you can create the branch? This command is used to create the new branch in our local Git repository. What is that? What is the command? To see the list of. So what is that? To see the list of branches, right? Git branch. What is that? Git branch and git branch hyphen a. Git branch. Okay. So to see the list of local branches. So what is the command? What is the command? Dhananjay, git just
Git
branch.
branch.
Yeah. Next, to see the list of local and remote branches. What is the command?
Git branch hyphen a.
Very good. Git branch hyphen. Yeah. Then to see the list of local branches and remote branches. So we'll use the git branch hyphen a. Sir, నేను కాల్ చేస్తాను. Okay, to see the list of local branches and remote branches. Next, to create to create a branch. To create a branch, how you can create the branch? Git branch name. What is the command? Git branch name. Okay, so Yeah. So what is that? So git branch hyphen a. So git branch hyphen d, I will tell you later. Git checkout. So what is the git checkout, guys? So what is a git checkout? What is a git checkout? Git checkout is nothing but a, so it is used to switch between local Git branches. What is that? It is used to switch between local Git branches. What is that command? So if you want to switch from one branch to another branch, what is that? It is used to switch switch from one branch to another branch. Switch between from one branch to another branch. What is the command, guys? Git checkout branch name. Git checkout branch name. Right. Next, so if you want to switch from one branch to another branch, so if you want, it is used to switch from one branch to another branch, and to create a branch and also switch to that branch. So I'm using this branch. This is the for creating the branch and switching the branch by using these two commands. I want to create a branch and we can switch automatically. So using one command. What is that? To create a branch and also switch switch to that switch to that newly created branch. What is the command? The command is git checkout hyphen b branch name. What is that? Git checkout hyphen b branch name. To create a branch and also switch to that newly created branch, you can use git checkout hyphen b branch name. So here to create a branch, you can use this command and switch the branch. So for this command, it will not switch automatically. It will not switch automatically. If you want to switch the branch, git checkout branch name. So I want to create a branch and also switch to that newly created branch. We have to use only one command instead of these two commands. Instead of these two commands. Understood? So today we are discussing about the branching. So branching is allows you to create a separate working copy of your code with you have a duplicate the project, right? So now you understood how to create a branch in the remote repository. You don't understand, right? You just joined, right? What is that? So here, so you see, so future 1, 2, 3. For example, I will show you. So another. So this is the yeah. So main branch. So I'm clicking to the branches. So we have a two branches now. What is that? So default branch is main branch and the other your branches are 1, 2, 3. So I'm trying to create a new branch here. What is the branch name? So for example, this is bug 1, 2, 3 or 2, 4, 5. What is this? The branch name is bug 2, 4, 5. So the branch is created from the main branch. So whatever the main branch, the code is right, the same code will be copied to the bug 2, 4, 5. Create a new branch. Okay. Now click here. Yeah. So you see, so how many branches we have? Three branches we have. So you can able to create the branch, a new branch in the new branch in the Git repository also. For example, so you downloaded or you cloned something like you are working on the something, right? So you can create the branch from here also, and you can clone that branch from that branch to the remote to local also. That branch from remote to local also. Okay, or else you can create the branch. You can create the branch here and so you already cloned the branch. Okay, so you already yesterday cloned the branch, git branch. What is the git branch? Git branch, it will show only the local branches. Git branch hyphen a, it will show the remote branches also. So here only future 123 main is showing. Only two remote repositories are showing. But we created another remote repository, another remote branch. Sorry, another remote branch. That branch is bug 245. But
Okay.
is it showing here? You see
No.
here also. Here also, it is showing git branch -a. You see here it is not showing. Here also you can check. If you click the main, this is our branch now. So it is showing only future 123 and the main 123, right? So for example, if you execute the git pull, if you execute the command git pull means, so whatever the updated code or the update, whatever the updated, right? It will sync to the local repository. Git pull, you see. So from this branch, a new branch is created. That branch is bug 245 and the origin bug 245. Okay. Now git branch. So main git branch -a. You see now bug 245 came right now. It's synced to the remote repository, right? So if you click here, it will see the bug 245 here. Bug 245 here. Now you understood how to create the remote repository, how to create the branch in the remote repository, right? You can create the remote repository. Now how to create the branch in the local repository and how to push that branch to the remote repository. Remote repository. I will show you. Okay. Yeah. So what are the branches we have? So we have bug, future, main. So we have three branches. So I am creating a new branch in the, I'm creating a new branch. Control L is nothing but a clear the screen. Okay. New
Hmm.
branch in the local branch. New branch, we are creating the branch from main branch. So how you can create the main branch, a local branch from the main branch? What is that? So to see the list of local branches, git branch -a. To see the list of local and remote branches, git remote -a. To create a branch, git branch name. What is that command?
Git branch name.
Git branch name. So what we can take SR123. So SR123 is nothing but we are working on the service request. Okay. For example. Yeah. So is it branch created or not? How you can check it if the branch is created or not? What is the
Git
command?
branch.
Very good. Git branch. Is it created? Yes. SR123 is showing. Right. You can see here the main is highlighting with the green and the star. Right. So in which branch you are? In which branch you are? Main branch. So that's the reason it is showing star and blue. Now I want to switch the branch from here to main to SR123. How we can switch it? What is the command?
Git git
Git
checkout.
Git checkout, very good. SR123 branch name. Git checkout branch name. What is that? Git checkout is it? It is used to switch from one branch to another branch. Git checkout branch name. Okay. What is that? Switch it to branch 123. Right. So I don't want to, for example, again Git checkout. Now you see Git branch. Now you are in which branch?
SR123.
Yeah. The star and the green symbol is showing with the SR123. Before SR123 is showing main normal and the main is green and the star. Now you understood? So now you are in the which branch it is showing here, but it will show here also. So I want to switch from SR123 to main. What is the command? Git checkout. So git checkout main. If you want to switch from one branch to another branch, you can use the git checkout. Okay. So now I am creating a branch. So in with single command, I want to create a branch and I want to switch to that branch. What is the command? Git checkout -b branch name Jira 123. You see the git checkout -b Jira 123 switch it to a new branch 123 because of you -b is nothing but a creating a branch. So checkout is nothing but a checkout to Jira 123. So in one command it will create the branch and it will switch the branch. But here git checkout git branch branch name git checkout. So within one command we can create the branch and check out the branch. Understood, guys? Yeah. Now we are in the which branch? Jira 123. Jira 123 branch. Here you see. So whatever the branch you are working, right, it is showing it in the Jira 123. Right. If you want to switch, you can click here and it will switch to these branches. Okay. Yeah. Now I want to create a branch here from VS Code also. I create a new branch. Branch name. Branch name is service now 123. You see where you are? Now you are in the service now 123. Git branch. You see? So it switched from service now 123. So you can create the branch here also. If you click it, it will create a new branch. Okay. And you can create it here also. So you can create it here also. Guys, understood? For example, now you are in the service now 123. Okay. Service now 123. Service now 123. So what you can do? You can write the code here again. But you see, git git branch hyphen a git branch hyphen a. You see, so it is showing only service now in the local, but service now is not in the remote. Service now not in the remote. But you have to add some files. Mm, yeah, first I will show you that. So then you will understand. Yeah, I'm switching to Git. You can switch from here also, guys. Or else Git checkout. Git checkout bug 123. Okay. Git branch. Yeah. Now you are in the bug 123. Now you are in the bug 123. You are adding a file. What is that? Sorry, guys. You are adding a file. The new file is bug bug.txt. For example, bug.txt. You added a file bug.txt. Then once you add it, right, it will show in the version control. It is showing something like a pending changes. One pending changes. Click here. You see bug 123 means it is adding git add. Then so here fixing the bug, for example. Okay, here if you check, if you commit it, it will commit it, then it will publish the file. So in with one command, I want to commit and push. You can use the commit and push. Once you click it, right, it will commit the file to local and push it to the remote. Push it to the remote. Okay. Yeah. Now let's check it in the, yeah. So you are in the which branch? You are in the which branch? So you are in the bug 123 branch. So if you click it bug 245, you see what file is added? The file bug.txt is added. Right. I want to merge the code from, so here bug -123 to main. Okay. What this is? This is the branch. What this is? This is the branch, and so this is also a branch. Okay. So this is also a branch contains the code, and so here we have an extra code called as a bug.txt. Bug.txt. But here, so we have only the code, whatever the newly added code want to push to or want to merge to. So merge or pull request. The name call it as a pull request means merge the code. Okay, merge the code. A pull request, we can create a pull request from here to here. So we can create a pull request from here to here. So while doing the pull request, we need a reviewer approval. Who approvals, guys? Okay. So here we have a code. You have added a code. So you want to push that code to the main branch. You have code push it to that branch. From this branch to bug 1 to 3 branch to main branch. So we need to create a pull request. What is that? In GitHub, we call it as a pull request. Pull request is nothing but a so send the code from here to here. Merge. We call it as a merge. Sending is nothing but a merging the code from this branch to this branch. But the code is correct or not, right? We need to review. So who will review? The lead or manager will review the code. Who will review, guys? Guys, who will review? Lead or
Lead.
manager? Yeah. Lead or manager will review the code and approve the code and merge the code. So then it will go from here to here. Now you understood?
Yes.
What is that? That is nothing but a git merging. What this is? This is nothing but a git merging. So now you understood. It is pushed to the remote. So we already pushed, right? We pushed from local to remote. So local to remote. Now I want to push this code. I want to merge this code from bug 0245 to main branch. Because of your your production code will be synced with the main branch. That is the reason we want to merge it from bug 123 to remote branch. How you can merge it? So you can create a pull request. Okay. So we can create the pull request. Guys, understood? So that is nothing but a git matching. Yeah. Now you understood the branching strategy, right, guys? Now understood branching?
Yes, sir.
Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
So now git merging. What is that? Merging is nothing but a what is git merging? So allow you to merge branches together. What is that? Allow you to merge branches together. Branches together means local bug 1 2 3 to local main and remote remote bug 1 2 3 to remote main. Yes, understood? So local bug 1 2 3 to local main and remote bug 1 2 3 to remote main. So we are merging this code from remote to remote, local to local. So to merge a branch. So how to merge the branch, guys? To merge a local branch main. Okay, local branch main. You can git merge bug 1 2 3. So it is merged from your local feature 123 to local, your bug 123 to main, and your remote and your remote your bug remote bug 245 to main. Okay, I will show you in the remote how you can create the compare and create a pull request. It will show you, or else you can create from this button pull request. What is pull request? Pull request is nothing but allow you to merge the branches together. Okay, new pull request, compare main. What is that? Bug 245. From bug 245 to compare is nothing but a bug 245 and base equal to main. Base equal to main. What is that? Fixing the bug. And what is the what we are adding? We are adding a one file bug.txt into the main. Okay. Create a pull request. Create a pull request. So create a pull request. Yeah, you created the pull request. Who is the assignee? Assignee is yourself, for example. Who is the reviewer? So reviewer is nothing but your manager. Reviewer is nothing but your manager. So okay, once you create the pull request, it will go to the reviewer, and you can ask to check the your manager and approve the code from where bug to main. It will go to main branch. Whatever the code, new code, right, will merge to the main branch. Okay. So for example, so your manager opened this, your manager, and review the changes. So he will review the changes. So click the review the changes and submit the file, right? Mm, I can do. So this is not a code, right? Empty code comment. Yeah. So click the comment. Please add the if logic instead of for loop. So for example, he start the review. Okay. So then again ask to the Hari. For example, Chaitra. I am the reviewer. I am the reviewer of the Chaitra and Dhananjay. I am asking to check the code and modify the code. Again, I opened the code. And what is that bug 245? So in the bug 245, I'm adding a for loop. For loop I equal to 0. I less than 10 now. I plus plus. Okay, this is the code I added. So I added. You see, so this is nothing but I need to add that more. So add the code and modified the code with for loop. For example, guys. So here you see. So if you want to use the commit, or you can use the commit with push. Okay, now let's check it. Refresh. You see, he added the code. Then reviewed the changes. Okay. So then resolve the conversation. Yeah. So your conversation is resolved. Now the code looks good. Then your manager will merge this code to. You see, now it is in the merged. Now it is in the merged. If you click the pull request, you see. So 0 opened, 1 closed. What is that 1? So 1 is for hours. What is this? So this is hours. So your manager is reviewed and asked for some new code, and you already modified that code and again pushed that code. Then he okay with that code and he approved the code. He approved the code. Now let's see the code is in the main file. See what is that? Bug123 modified the code with for loop. You see. Now you understood the merging strategies? Merging?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right? Yeah, very good. Yeah. So if you go to the pull request, okay, closed one. Yeah. So what is that? So if you click it, fixing the bug, then yeah, you see. So delete the branch. So I don't want the pull request successfully merged and closed. So you all are said the bug 1245 branch can be safely deleted. Yeah, I want to delete that branch because of multiple people are creating the branches and merging, right? So once the merge is completed, so everything is looks good. Just delete the branch. Delete the branch. Now you understood how to delete the branch, right? How to delete the branch in the local. I will tell you. Now you understood how to merge it la local. I will show you guys, no worries. To delete the branch that is merged. What is the command? The command is git branch -d branch branch name. So this is also called as a soft branch delete. What is that? Soft delete. To delete a branch that is not merged. Okay. So what is that? Git branch capital D branch name capital D branch name. This is also known as hard delete. Hard delete. So for example, bug 1 2 3 4. So here I will show you the local changes. Okay. Now git ls. So what is the branch? What is the code? Is there? There is a code called as a what is that, guys? Bug.txt. Okay. So this bug.txt git checkout git urls git checkout main. So switch it to branch ls. Here you see, is there any bug.txt? Guys, in the main branch, in our local main branch, is bug.txt is there?
No.
No. I want to merge in the local. How you can merge it, guys, in the local? Now you understood how to merge it in the remote. How to merge it in the so to merge the local branch from main. So from bug 1 2 3, if you want, go to that main and merge git merge 1 2 3. Git merge bug 245. I want to merge bug 245 into main. What is the command? Git merge bug 245. You see, one file is added to main ls. So now you see bug.txt is there. Now you understood how to merge the local to local and how to merge the remote to remote. Guys, understood? Local to main, remote to main. Guys, understood? Local, you can use the get bug 245. Understood? So if you want to delete the branch that is merged, in GUI you already showed, right? So git branch -d bug 244. Now git branch. Is that branch bug 245 is there or deleted? Guys,
Yes, sir. Soft deleted.
this is the soft delete. So yeah. So I want to switch to git checkout. Git checkout Jira 123. Git checkout Jira 123 ls. So nothing is there, right? Nothing is there. Something like ABCMNO, right? So here you see, is there any code is there? Nothing is there. I'm adding a code called as a Jira dot txt. What is that, guys? Jira dot txt I'm added. You see again. So this is adding and Jira code added. So you see commit and push. Commit and push means it will commit the code and push it to the remote branch. Which branch this is? This is the remote branch. Now you see, yeah. Now it is pushed to remote branch. Now I am going to remote branch. What is that? Yeah, you see, Jira. So go to the ds-git 6 branches. How many branches you have? Jira 1, 2, 3. Jira 1, 2, 3. Jira 1, 2, 3 having the Jira.txt, but main doesn't have that Jira.1, 2, 3. For example, this MR is wrong. This, so yeah, you push that code, right? You can create the MR. You can merge the code. You can merge the code same future 1232 main. Future 1232 main. Directly it is showing, right? Compare and create a pull request. Pull request is nothing but a merge request. Okay. So Jira 1232 main. So create a pull request. Yeah, created the pull request. Okay. So created the pull request. So something like it was missed to add something. So I don't want this pull request. I want to delete this pull request. Do this, delete the branch. So you created a pull request. I want to close the pull request. Close the pull request. Okay. And delete the branch. Delete the branch. Guys, understood? So you deleted the merge request, that closed the merge request and deleted the branch also. Deleted the branch also. Guys, understood? Here you see, close to. What are those? So one is cancelled, one is merged, one is closed, one is closed. Okay, this branch is deleted. That's the reason you are unable to open it. No, you understood? Yeah, here also. So This is the branch, right? Git branch hyphen capital D Jira hyphen 123. So yeah, Git checkout main. Cannot delete the branch Jira 123 used by the work tree at user kit 6. Here it is showing.
We are currently in Jira 1.
Git checkout is not a Git command. Okay, sorry. You see, it is deleted, hard deleted. It is hard deleted. Guys, now you understood? Now understood
Yes.
the merge request. How to create the merge? Merge is nothing but a pull request. How to create the pull request? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So now I want to create a branch. Now I want to create the branch. Git branch name. Git checkout. Git checkout icon be branch name. What is that? Status 546. What is that? So now you are in the status 546. This status 546 is there in the remote branch or not, guys? So here how many branches we have? We have only main and future 1, 2, 3. But that status 456 branch is not there in the remote repository. But we created the branch in the local repository. How to create the branch? Oh yeah, branch and switch it to the branch. So now we are in the 456 branch. Git branch hyphen a. Right. So there is no git pull. Git remove hyphen v. Yeah, more is git git branch hyphen a. Okay, it is not showing. It is not git push. I want to push the code, right? Here it is not showing. Okay, still we are in the what is that status 456? That status 456 is not there in the remote branch. Not there in the remote branch. So here 456. I'm creating a status dot txt file. Okay. So I added that status dot txt file. Again, you can go to the here and add stage and commit status and push commit and push. Okay. I want to show that, right? Yeah. So status 45 had recent pushes to 2 seconds ago. Now you see the branches. How many branches we have? Status branch also. So that status branch is not there in the remote repository. Even though if you push that right, it will automatically create the remote. It will automatically create the remote branch and push the code from local status 456 to remote status 456. Is understood? You understood? So yeah, the status 456 had recent pushes. Compare and create the pull request. Okay. So we are merging from status to main. So create a pull request. Again, something like a reviewer, changes, you already know, right? So that is then, so we are merging the pull request. Merged the pull request. Okay. Yeah, it's merged. What is that? It's merged the pull request. Yeah. Whatever we sent from your local branch at that future branch to the main branch. So after pushing to the main, so that code is not working. For example, so they are again created the merge request from main to production. Main to production. So after merging that, right? So the production environment is not working. So we need to revert the changes. What is that? Merging. First thing is merging. Second thing is revert. What is that? Merging is nothing but a new code will push from main to production, and whatever the code from whatever we are reverting that code from production to main because of whatever the code new code, right? So I need a original code because of after merging my production is not working. I want to revert the code. Revert means back the code to main and back the code to bug. How you can create? You can create the revert mr. So revert mr. So what is revert mr? So revert mr is nothing but a it will back the code to code from that branch. From that branch. So the old code will be available. What is that? The new code will be reverted and the old code will be available. So that is nothing but a revert. This is nothing but a matching. So again for this two, we need to create a pull request. What is that, guys? So for this also we need to create the pull request. So for this also we need to create the pull request. Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Request. So here also want to create the pull request. So for merging also we are creating the pull request. For reverting also we need to create the pull request. So how to revert the changes to the main? How to revert the changes from main to bug? Okay. So how to revert? So the changes, what the change you added? Status.txt. I want to remove this file. How you can remove? You can remove by using revert. What is the option? Revert. You see? So revert. Okay. Status revert status. Create a pull request. What it will be reverting, you see in the files changed. So plus is nothing but a adding and red is nothing but a deleting. Red is nothing but a deleting the changes. Okay. So now you see, main having the status.txt. I am reverting these changes. I'm reverting these changes by using this mr merge request confirm merge. Now you see merged, right? So before it is status dot, now it's merged to yeah. So now you see, so status is there. I'm refreshing the code. Now it is reverted the changes. Now the status is reverted. Yes, now you understood? Git merge, git revert, git merge, git revert. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right? So yeah, very good. So bug.txt. What bug.txt? File or else I am modifying. You can modify here also. You can modify the here also. Just click it, edit file. So for example, a equal to 100. Okay, commit the changes. Commit the changes. Okay, and what this is? This is main future or future 123. So future 123 it's deleted, right? That's the reason. Status 456. A bug equal to here also. I'm modifying the code. B equal to 200 here. What is this? Status bug equal B equal to 200. In the main bug A equal to status A equal to 200. Okay. Here A equal to 200, there A equal to 100. Now let's see what will happen. So you are trying to create a pull request from new pull request from status 4562 main. Okay. So it is changing. It is removing from this to is create a pull request. Create. So what it is showing, guys? Guys, what this is? So when you are trying to create a pull request, it is showing the merge conflict. And once you resolve the merge conflict, then only we can merge it. What is that, guys? Merge conflict. Resolve the conflict. Once you click it here, right? Yeah. We need a equal to 200 or A equal to 100. For example, I am using A equal to 100, equal to 200. Then mark as a result, confirm the match. Now you see no conflict with the base branch. Create a match request. Confirm the match. Guys, understood? So branching, git reverting also is discussed, right? So how to revert the changes? So in the GitHub account, go to the pull request and open the latest closed one. Then click revert button. That changes will be reverted to the main. Understood? That will be
Yes.
reverted. Yes, now you understood. So what we discussed, git merging, git branching, git revert, git conflict. Guys, understood? So we discussed about the branching, right? Merging, revert, conflict, git conflict, git revert, git merging, git branching. Guys, understood?
Yes,
Guys,
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes. Yeah. You guys watch the recording again and again. You will understand, guys. Okay. So this is the real-time scenario. So, so while merging the code, I think Chaitra, you are using Git. So are you using Git? So who are
Yes, sir.
using Git?
Yes,
So
I
good.
use it.
Did you get the merge conflicts? Did you done
Yes,
the
sir.
revert?
No,
Revert?
revert I have not done.
I'm not done. Huh? So this is the way we are doing the reverting. Get conflicting. So for example, what is the conflicting? So you are, for example, in our case, in the real time, so something like the image version, container image version 1.0 is there. Again, you are pushing 1.0. Again, you are pushing 1.0 or something like a container image. You created a 2 MRs. You created a 2 MRs. So one is container image 2.0. What is this? So this is the 1 MR you are creating. And again, you have created another MR from container image 1.0 to container image 3.0. Now, so when you try to merge this one, when you try to merge this MR, or when you try to merge this MR, so it will show the git conflict because of, so when you click it, right, yeah, already another container image is pushed. So here you are getting the merge conflicts. What is that, guys? Here you are getting the merge conflicts. Here you are getting the merge conflict. Same also you are getting the merge conflict. What you can do, so we can open the file, the same like as we edited that file, right? So for that file, so it will ask hours or dates. You can use hours. You can use, so hours means latest one. We can push the latest one. Then you can merge the, it will, so if you have a merge conflict, it will not merge the MR. If you have a merge conflict, it will not merge the MRs because of need to resolve the merge conflict. Then only we can merge the MRs. Merge the MRs. Guys, understood? Guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah. So how you can create a local repository in your local, and how to initialize that repository as a local Git repository, and how to link between local repository to remote repository. And so we'll show you Git rebase, Git fork, Git revert we already did, Git resetting. So Git resetting and Git revert and Git fork, Git rebase. You guys
Okay.
watch the recording. You guys
Okay.
watch the
Okay.
recording again and again. This is the commands we are executing daily in our real-time environment. So creating the merge request, resolving the conflict. Whenever your reviewer asking to modify the code, go to that code again, push that code to the remote. Then you can ask to the review again. Once they are okay with resolve the review, then he will merge the code. So this is the process and our real time is doing.